up, guys? Today starts a new project. It's probably going to be a several part series, but I am super excited because I'm going to be building this. It just looks like a box with a hole in it, but it is going to be a customized amp cabinet. These are the plans that I have quickly made up with all my measurements and the cuts and everything. And it is going to be from these pieces of plywood, and it is going to fit inside that rack case that currently holds my Fender Deluxe Reverb amp. But soon it will be housing this guy. So let's get to it.
Let me live my life.
Okay, there you have it for part one. The frame is all built. The rest of the parts should be coming in the mail soon. The Tolex, the speaker, all the hardware, screws, feet, everything else should be coming in the mail very soon. I can't wait for you guys to see the Tolex that I picked out. It's gonna be really freaking sweet. Up next is painting the inside of this black, adding the Tolex, and making the baffles for the front for the speaker and the back panels. So until then, see you guys soon in part